Today we are going to solve this exercise in order to practice the alternate corresponding angles and supplementary angles. Okay, so we have first we have to look to the given that line AB is parallel to line CD. Okay, so this is the mark. This mark shows that line AB and CD are parallel. Okay, and we have FE, we call it the secant or the transversal line. يعني بهذا الشكل جاي. FE, line FE cuts line AB in G and cuts line CD or DC in H. Okay, so the first question is find the value of X, justify or show your calculations. Okay, يعني we have to find the value of X with justification. First of all, if you look here, this is the angle X. يعني we can say that it is the angle FHD, okay, or DHF, or GHD, or DHG. This is an angle X. Okay, this is the angle X. So first we look here and we say that AB is parallel to DC or to CD given, right? So here we put always the statement, and between brackets we put the proof or the reason for writing this statement. Okay, so AB parallel, okay, to CD, this is given. This is given to us in this exercise. Then if they are parallel, we know that the corresponding angles, this angle and this angle that are making the F shaped, you see the F shape here, this is the F shape. Okay, يعني BGE and DHE are equal. So BGE equal DHE equal 100, since one of them is equal to 100 degrees. What is the reason? We put the reason or the proof between brackets. We put since they are corresponding angles of parallel lines. Okay, of course are equally, and the corresponding angles of parallel lines are equal. Then this angle is equal 100. Okay, DHE. Okay, if we look here, EHG is a straight angle, right? It is equal to 180. Okay, then DHE, that's equal to 100, plus X, this angle يعني plus DHG, هني straight angle، هني 180، هني supplementary angle. Okay, then شو بيفضل لهيدي 80 degrees, since هاي 100 plus 80 ليعطوني straight angle 180 degrees. Let's see how we can write this. Okay, so we say that DHE here plus DHG يعني plus X, in other words, equal 180, right? Since DHE and DHG are supplementary angles, they are called straight angles. And DHE from the last DHE here, from the last step, okay, equal 100. We put between brackets proved, and we prove it 100. Okay, we have proved it 100. Then DHE plus DHG equal 180. We are repeating this statement in order to continue. DHE 100, we substitute, instead of DHE we put 100 degrees, plus DHG, which is what? X. If you look here, DHG is X, and we want, our aim is to find X in the question. Look here, find the value of X. So plus X equal 180. Okay, this is the equation. If you remember in the class, I give you, if you have one variable in the equation, we take this variable on one side and the numbers on the other side. So we put X before the equal, and 180 we left it after the equal, and we take 100 which has a positive sign to the next sign of the equation, and we change its sign to negative. Okay, it will be 180 minus 100, it will be 80 degrees. Okay, so x equal 80 degrees. This is the answer. So I advise you to write in this way, okay? يعني to put the statement and between brackets we put the proof. Now in the exercises of geometry, first we look to the figure, okay, and we think about the answer, then we write it step by step, statement proof to find the answer. Okay, so I repeat, يعني نحن بنفكر شو المخطط كيف انا بدي اوصل to find x, then we write it. okay, يعني بنحط aim براسنا انه to find x، براسنا بنشوف steps that we have to follow in order to find x or to find the solution of x. So here in this exercise we take the given that AB is parallel to CD, okay, and we conclude that here في corresponding angle أو F-shaped angle, then هاي الانجل here it's equal to this angle. okay, يعني this is the way of thinking. So this is 100 and we know that this is a straight angle يعني EHG, then 100 plus x هني 180، يعني الاكس رح تكون 80 لأنه 100 plus 80 رح يكون 180. So هيك بنفكر، بعدين نكتب step by step مثل ما حكيتكم من ساعة، كل فكرة statement then البروف، statement then البروف لنوصل بهالترتيبية to the solution. The next question is find the value of y with a justification. This is y. okay, so let us make the يعني the map, okay, of thinking in order to find the solution of y. you know شو الماب of thinking؟ we look here فينا نشوف انه this is a z angle. you see this is a z here, then this is an alternate interior angles of parallel lines. okay, this is how we think to find the value of x. okay, then if this is 100, then this is an alternate interior angle also, it's equal to 100. This is the first method. We have also another method. If we see that CHD here is a straight angle, it's equal to 180. طيب from previous part x equals 80, then قديش بقي للy 100. So this is the second method. okay, let's see how to write one of them. We write first DHG plus GHC equal 180 between brackets supplementary angle. So DHG here, DHG plus GHC, this angle in x plus y هني 180 صح؟ between brackets supplementary angles. This is the proof, this is the reason. Then DHG is x and GHC is y equals to 180. X equals 80 degree proved from this part, you see. Then we substitute here, instead of x we put 80 plus y equals 180 degrees. We take unknown to one side and the numbers to the other side. 180 minus 80 is equal to 100 degrees. okay, so I repeat, in the exercises of geometry we think about the answer first, then we start writing the statement, the reason between brackets, the statement, the proof between brackets, etc., in order to find our solution.